tariffs are illegal, then how did he impose the additional 10% tariffs? Was it for an ego massage?
Impose a 10% global tariff under Section 122, over and above our normal tariffs already being charged.
Firstly, let us all go back to the beginning of the tariff game to understand better. Earlier, before any such chaos, 2 to 10% का tariff was imposed on India. Then Trump came and imposed a 25% tariff on India and then slapped us with an additional 25% for buying Russian crude. So for a few months, tariffs on us was the highest, which was 50%. Then finally, just a few weeks ago when we negotiated, the tariff came down to 18%. However, it is now that we hear that the US Supreme Court said Trump's tariffs are illegal and that he cannot put any such tariff. But Trump, being Trump, his ego just couldn't take it. So he slashed a 10% global tariff on all possible countries via Section 122 of the Trade Act, which is legal. And then just after a few hours, he comes up and says the tariffs are not 10%, they're 15%. I mean, what on earth is wrong with him? Are stock markets a joke for him? All of this chaos has created a lot of confusion. So now the biggest question, what's the final tariff rate on us? पहले जो initial tariff था उसके ऊपर we have 10% more. So the effective tax rate is anywhere between 12 to 20%, which would not create a greater difference because after negotiating our tariff was already between this range. Let's see what Trump's next move is. Follow for more.